Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, today we are going to start our Unit 2, Animals. So let's begin our today's lesson. Okay, dear students, now we are going to learn about animals. As you know, there are different kinds of animals in the world. In this unit, we will learn about different species of animals like insects, like small animals, water animals, wild animals, and much more. We will learn about how they live, where they live, and what they eat. So, my dear students, now open up your science book, page 6, Unit 2, Animals. First, we will do reading and then I will explain you some things about the specific kind of animal. On your page 6, there is only one sentence, and that is Unit 2, Animals. All the animals are in many shapes and colors. As I told you that in the world there are different kinds of animals. So look at your page 7 of your science book. First of all, we have to read about insects. Now you have to read with me. I'm going to read first sentence. Insects are very small animals. Insects are very small animals. As you can see on the screen, I have pasted some gifs of the insects like this honeybee and like grasshopper, ladybird, butterfly, and fly and ant. All are small insects and they crawl, and many insects also fly. Okay, dear students, insects not only crawl, some insects can crawl only, some can fly. So as you know, flies and honeybees and bees and mosquitoes can fly, and butterfly also, and there are many more insects that can fly. But there are some insects, they can only crawl. Like you can see this ant, it can only crawl, and there are many other small insects that can crawl. And dear students, you know that the insects have 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. They have 3 main body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay, or you can say that insects' body is divided into 3 parts. First part is head, second part is thorax, and third part is abdomen. Okay, so as you can see in the picture, I have pasted, this is the head of the fly, and it has compound eyes on this part, and then 2 antennas you can see here. These antennas can be used to smell something, like they have no nose, like we are smelling from the nose, but the insects have no nose, they have antennas to smell something. And this part, this green part, is its thorax, and this last part is abdomen, and these are all the insects. We have read in the first unit also that insects have 6 legs. Okay, these are the 6 legs and 2 antennas. Okay, and if we talk about its second part, and that is thorax, It is right below the insect's head, and it is middle section. And thorax of an insect is kind of like your chest. Your on your body there is a chest, except insects have 6 legs that comes out of their thorax. Okay, and just below the insect's thorax, it is abdomen. It is the largest part of its body, and this body part contains its stomach, just like your abdomen. Okay, does so. This part, abdomen, is just like your stomach. Okay, these are the insects body parts, but you don't need to learn more about the parts of the body parts of insects. You just have to learn about that the animals that has 6 legs, and generally it has one pair of wings, 2 wings or 1 pair of wings, and that species is called insects. And insects are the largest group in the animal kingdom, and they include ladybirds, cockroaches, mosquitoes, houseflies, butterflies, grasshoppers, and many more. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have learned much about insects. Now, dear students, open up page number 8 of your science book. Here we have to read about some cute small animals. And as I told you, there are different kinds of animals in the entire world, so small animals are, they can mice, rabbits, squirrels, cats, and dogs. Okay, so let's read the sentences written in your book, page 8. Small animals: mice, rabbits, squirrels, cats, and dogs are small animals. We keep cats and dogs as pets, and most of you do. Squirrels and birds live in trees. Okay, squirrels and birds live in trees, and they are also small. Mice and rabbits live in holes in the ground. Okay, now you have learned by reading these lines or sentences, you have learned that there are many small animals in the world, and there are some examples: mice, rabbits, squirrels, cats, and dogs. They are all small animals, and we all like to keep cats and dogs as pets at our homes also. Okay, most of the people or kids like to have cats and dogs as pets at their homes, as they are human friendly. You can say they are small animals, and they are human friendly. They love to live with us like we are as human beings. They can live with us easily. They are not harmful for us. Squirrels and birds live in trees. Okay, birds and squirrels are small animals, and where do they live? They live in trees. Okay, squirrel make hole in the trunk of the trees, or already there is a hole in the trunk of the tree, and he will live in that. Squirrels live in that holes. And the birds, we have read in the first unit that birds lives in the nest, and they make their nest by themselves. Okay, so they live in nests on the trees. Now they have written that mice and rabbits. Where do they live? They live in the holes in the ground, or it can be in a wall. So mice and rabbits make the holes and live in the holes, and that hole can be in the ground, and or in the wall. Okay, dear students. So this was your today's lesson you have to read, and I told you please do reading practice on daily basis to improve your readings and writing skills. So dear students, we will read about some more kinds of animals tomorrow. So let's Allah Hafiz for today. That's it, and take care.